Hey folks, let's get through the noise and get to some real analysis. Putin, unfazed by Trump, will fight on. Could take more of Ukraine. Remember folks, this ain't no survival war. It's a damn Jones business between them bigger players. The game? Nasty folks, really nasty. Putin has survived 20 years of Western pressure, sanction, protest, even the Wagner immunity. Trump's potential return doesn't deter him. It's just another valuable fact. Russia adapted to sanctions within 2024 military spending hitting 7.5% of GDP, its highest since Soviet times. Putin sees chaos in the West as opportunities, not weakness. And this was just fact one. Putin remembered Trump's 2019 Syria pullback and NATO criticism. Kremlin officials openly state Trump's Ukraine pursuing Kyiv to cede land aligns with Russian goals. Putin isn't waiting for Trump. He's accelerating. May 2024 offensive in Kharkiv proves he will grab territory now, while Ukraine's ammo runs low. And let's take a look at the fact three. The drones business reality. This war is just a tech slaughterhouse. Russia produces 3,000 plus drones monthly and sources missiles from Iran and North Korea. Ukraine fires 6,000 plus artillery shells daily, but Russia fires 10,000. And about Putin's strategy, grind Ukraine into dust with cheats, drones, and Soviet-era shells while conserving his elite troops. It's industrial warfare code, calculated and brutal. And the fourth fact, the nasty big game. The big players aren't just betting, they are profiting. China supplies Russia with microchips and machine tools. Iran earns billions selling shields drones. NATO scrambles to arm Ukraine, but US aid delay cost Kyiv 20% of its territory. Putin smells blood if Western resolved fractures. He will push for Odessa, cutting Ukraine off from the Black Sea. This ain't about survival. This about domination. Putin's war machines feeds on Western hesitation and global opportunists. Trump's shadow just emboldens him, with drones pulverizing trenches and sanctions failing to bite. Ukraine's map could shrink further by winter. The game's nastier than ever. No rules, no mercy, and Putin playing for keeps.